Hello, for today's mini lesson, I would like to talk about using multicultural fairy tales in your classroom. Fairy tales are a great form of storytelling. Fairy tales are engaging, fun, they promote active listening and language development. Fairy tales also involve critical thinking and they often include problem solving as the character has a problem and has to find a solution. Fairy tales are also great for teaching social emotional lessons and discussing morals and values. So, a fun way to incorporate multicultural fairy tales is to pair a traditional fairy tale with a multicultural fairy tale. This means it tells a story from a different perspective. It may include a different setting, a different language, and puts a twist on a traditional fairy tale incorporating a different culture. So, an example would be instead of Mary Had a Little Lamb, there is a story called Maria Had a Little Llama by Angela Dominguez. And that's an English Spanish retelling taking place in Peru. There's a Rapunzel story by Chloe Perkins that is a traditional Rapunzel story, but instead it's an Indian girl in a tower waiting for a prince. And then instead of Little Red Riding Hood, there's Little Red and the Very Hungry Lion by Alex T. Smith. And that book takes place in an African safari. Instead of going in the woods and encountering a wolf, it's in a safari and she encounters a lion in Africa. So these are just some examples of some fun stories that you can use to promote multicultural, thinking about different perspectives, just gaining appreciation for other cultures, promoting acceptance from other cultures, and talking about the similarities yet differences among different cultures.